With mangoes around the corner, they're literally screaming for attention and also very silently telling us that summer is here. With summers here, of course, you need something that's really going to excite you and make you feel cool from within. Today's recipe, Mango Chia Pudding. Let's begin. Well, there are a couple of things that you need to know, especially while making a mango chia pudding. And when I say mango chia pudding, it's a chia pudding with, of course, mango as one of the ingredients. Chia needs to be soaked into the coconut milk overnight, and that's where it literally blooms up and becomes like a pudding. Now, what you need to understand about chia is three parts: osmosis, mucilage expansion, and the third one, that is gel formation. Well, chia seeds on the outside have a little bit of a mucilageous layer which eventually blooms up. What happens is the moment you soak the chia, osmosis takes place, the mucilage gets excited, it gets expanded, and eventually water seeps in, and that results into gel formation. First things first, let's soak the chia. Untoasted raw chia seeds in a deep bowl, and onto this, let's add in coconut milk. Let's mix this carefully like so. And now let's wait for some hydrophilic magic. And keep this aside for at least 15 minutes at room temperature. And the chia looks wonderfully bloomed, and alternately, like I said earlier, you could also keep this overnight in the refrigerator. But for now, this looks perfect to build up. The next step is to take a glass jar and start layering it beautifully. Let's begin the assembly with the bloomed chia seeds at the bottom. Let's intersperse the layer with some fresh mango puree. And top this up with the remaining pudding. Similarly, let's build up the other glass as well. Let's top this up with some freshly cut mango. Let's top this up with some almond. Toasted, untoasted is a complete personal choice. Let's top this up with some seeds of your choice. Of course, it could be melon seeds, sunflower seeds, linseeds. The choice is completely yours. And finally, last but not the least, a sweetener of your choice. In this case, I'm using honey. With this, ladies and gentlemen, your wonderful mango chia pudding is done and ready. And this is the same pudding that's also known as an overnight pudding. Make this overnight or make this fresh. The choice is completely yours. But what's important is to prioritize your health. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.